Hello, this is Lani Armstrong, also known as Gingerfoot Garden, and I'm one of the Vigo Pro Gardeners here at Vigo Garden. So in this video, I want to cover the topic about Fall-Winter Gardening Guide. So let's get started. Gardening doesn't have to stop in the fall or winter season. In fact, the cool season vegetables are some of the most satisfying vegetables to grow. The plants like kale, broccoli, and collard greens are among the plants that have natural antifreeze. In the process, produces natural sugar, causing the food to be a lot more sweeter as they experience the cold. The taste of fresh, cool season vegetables is so worth it for me. There are a few things to consider when it comes to fall winter gardening. You can ask yourself the following question. The first one is, will you be up for a challenge to take care of your plants during the cold season? Next question is, does your area experience mild winter? If your answer is yes to both questions, let's dive into the benefits of fall-winter gardening. The first one is extended growing season. Planting in the fall allows you to extend the garden's productivity beyond the summer. Some crops, like those in the brassica family, suffers in the summer but thrives in the cool weather. The second one is the cooler condition. Cooler temperatures in the fall reduces the stress on plants and gardeners alike, making it more comfortable to work in the garden. The next benefit is fewer pests. Many garden pests are less active in the fall, meaning you may encounter fewer problems when it comes to pests and diseases. Number 4 is less watering. Cooler weather and decreased evaporation allows for less frequent watering in the fall and winter season. The fifth and final benefit is preparation for the spring. Fall gardening also serves as preparation for the next growing season, as it allows you to clean up and amend the soil in preparation for planting. By taking advantage of the benefits of fall gardening, you can enjoy a productive and diverse garden while maintaining and improving your garden skills. While fall-winter gardening has many benefits, there are also drawbacks that we have to consider, and these are the following. First one is limited plant selections. Not all plants are suitable for growing in a cold season. Some plants like tomatoes and peppers, among our favorite summer vegetables, will not do well during the cold season unless you grow them inside the house. For growing outdoors, it's better to stick with the cool season vegetables rather than trying to grow warm season vegetables outdoors. The second one is weather uncertainty. Weather can be unpredictable during the fall winter season. Early frost or unseasonably cold temperature can damage or kill the plant. The third one is slower growth. Cooler temperature and shorter daylights can cause the plants to grow slowly, leading to delayed harvest. The fourth one is shorter growing season. Fall planting may not provide a long growing season for the plant as compared to spring season. It's important to assess the specific conditions and requirements of your garden and the plants you wish to grow before deciding on fall planting. Addressing these drawbacks with appropriate measures such as frost protection and pest management can help mitigate the challenges associated with fall gardening. Now, how do we prepare for fall-winter gardening? Now, one of the major challenges when it comes to fall-winter gardening is the freezing temperatures. Preparing your fall-winter garden for the freezing temperature is crucial for the survival of the plants during the cold season and to ensure that they'll be able to produce something for you. The first one is select cold hardy plants. Choose winter hardy plants that can withstand freezing temperatures. Common choices include winter vegetables like kale, carrots, Brussels sprouts, as well as cold-tolerant flowers such as pansies and ornamental cabbage. The second one is refresh and amend the soils. Before planting any cold weather seedlings, add a layer of compost, warm castings, azomite, and or any fertilizer that is appropriate for the plant to grow vigorously. The third one is mulch. Apply a thick layer of mulch such as straw or shredded leaves around the base of your plants. Mulch helps insulate the soil, retain moisture, and protect the roots from extreme cold. The fourth one is watering. Ensure your garden is adequately hydrated before the cold sets in. Well-hydrated plants are better equipped to withstand freezing temperatures. However, avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. The fifth one is protect from frost. There are three methods that you can apply in order to protect your plants. The first one is covering plants. Use frost blanket, roll covers, or cloths to cover delicate plants during extreme cold nights. These covers trap heat and provide a protective barrier against frost. Next, wind protection. If your area is prone to strong winds, consider installing windbreaks or barriers to shield your garden from the chilling effects of wind. Next, greenhouse or cold frame. Consider using a greenhouse or installing a cold frame to provide a more controlled environment for your plants. The next step to take is to monitor your weather. Stay informed about the weather forecast and be prepared to take extra precautions during particularly cold nights or severe weather events. Number 7 is inspect for pests. Before winter sets in, inspect your plants for pests and take appropriate measures to control any infestation. By taking these steps, you can help your fall winter garden to survive the cold temperatures and enjoy your garden bounty. I hope these tips and ideas inspired you to take advantage of the fall season to prepare your garden until the warm season returns, or to grow your fall winter garden so that you can continue harvesting homegrown vegetables all throughout the season. I really appreciate you for watching all the way at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.